Like I told you guys, wherever you are, and I'll eat your food. So, like I said, I'm here, Mkhaba Derk. You know what? I only found out this today on Facebook, and I told me that I'm gonna be here. So I'm here for you. If you can check the menu, mina ngizifunela ipapa and liver. Not the lavuswa na chivindi. Zudipanga manda so ndiko nibuza rena kadwa ni chawero ngane pa El Singidi. Don't make any mistake. Hit up a machita for it. Let's come and eat. Let's support Kasi food. Let's go to Recola Center for who, for what? Because the dope food is down here. Kokasi. You know what I mean? Niti vamangarani, nito jigapezi, niko tungari kwa Glen. You'll find machitopa container ya bwanepa. Let's have some food. On the podcast. If you're looking for me, 082-6937-124 or on YouTube, it's Venda Music and Entertainment. Let me go eat my food. I'm out of here.